High-gloss SPC wall panel installation. Approved walls: cement concrete, wooden board, old tiles, plaster. Precaution: wall flatness, less than or equal to 2 mm in 2 meters. Wall moisture content, less than or equal to 8%. Make sure the base walls are flat, clean, smooth, and dry. Acclimation. Place the wall panels in the room where you will install them for at least 24 hours of acclimation. Installation tools: electric saw, laser level, rubber mallet, utility knife, pencil, tape measure, waterproof neutral structural adhesive. Clean and measure the width and height of each wall at the installation area. Determine the size of the wall panels. Use a circular saw to make the necessary cuts in the panel. Apply dots and strips of construction adhesive evenly to the back of the wall panel. Pay attention to the spacing of the adhesive to ensure that the adhesive does not overflow when the wall panel is glued to the wall. Push panel firmly against the wall. Smooth out any air bubbles along the entire area and then lightly tap on wall panel with a rubber mallet from top to bottom to ensure it is tightly connected to the wall. Install all remaining wall panels in order.